video we will show you how to make a beautiful grand necklace with this multiple chain necklace, which will gonna be it is gonna be repurposed. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce jewelry and fashion accessories. We also are involved in slow fashion. So if you're new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Please do watch the video until the end, because we will show how to combine and how to wear our piece with other accessories. So for today I have chosen this multiple chain necklace piece that I am going to repurpose. I've got flowers or florets, less florets. I've got petals. I also have got the felt protection or cover, whatever you want to call them, felt circles. This will help me for joining pieces together. So I do have a pin with some thread in there. I have scissors, I have got wire cutters, got my 2 pliers, I've got tweezers and fabric or thread cutters. I also will use today the cold heated glue gun with glue stick. So let's start and have some fun. So we just created this beautiful piece of necklace from recycled multiple chain part of the necklace, petals, flowers and leaves. Thanks for watching. Stay humble and wonderful.